Most premium signal groups charge hundreds of dollars every month. But with Signalpeak, you get access to more than 100 premium trading groups under one subscription. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's hit it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Signalpeak. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It is presented as a cryptocurrency trading signal platform that actually provides users with access to over 100 premium Telegram channels. So free trial, this is the one that I was talking about earlier. And you also have that 1 month, $99 per month, okay? And then you also have their lifetime $350, which again, that is a great value, especially if you are doing trades. This is actually a bang for the buck. So if trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com. It is actually a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit, and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights, as well as the signals that are built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decisions. So stay focused, follow structure, and trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's go back to the video. Now, let me show you how it works. So you could actually go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so you click on Start Free Trial. It will take you to this one, okay, to this page where you could actually click on Start Bot, and it will open up your Telegram. All right, so now this is my Telegram, and as you can see, this is the Signalpeak bot. So once you click on that right there, so the Start Bot, what it does is it opens Telegram, and it will forward you directly to this part where you will be able to see these ones, and you have the 1-day free monthly plan and the lifetime plan all in there for you to go ahead and click on. So let's say you click on 1-day free. So let's say, for example, you are doing crypto channels. So let's click on join crypto channels, and it will actually let you choose. So as you can see, you could select which ones you would like to join. All right. Now, once you have joined that, let me show you how those signals look like. Now, let me show you this. This is one of my favorites, actually, and let's use this, all right? So you have the VIP signal updates, all right? So it's basically like market analysis that's telling you what is going on already. It's now broken into a strong expansion after holding the rising trend line and all that. So very, very helpful analysis. Now, those signals will be sent to you just like this. Now, these are already executed signals. As you can see, you have a signal ID, and then this is the coin. So link USDT. All right. And then 2 to 5x direction is you're going along. So the target is 8.8, 9.35, and 10. Those are all actually met. All right. And profit 5x, 88.3%. So this is an example, guys, of the signal that they are sending. So like, say, for example, for this one, mint, MNT USDT 2 to 5x direction is long. Your entry is at 0.768 up to 0.77. Okay. Now the targets for taking profit, you have different ones. Okay, so depending on how aggressive you are or how conservative you are, these are your targets. And you also have your stop loss. So let's go to the TradingView. Okay, so based on the signal that we got, we are looking at Mint. Okay, so MNT, all right, MNT USDT perpetual contract. So you could click on that one. All right, so as you can see, guys, now it has already reached the 0.833 because the signal that I showed you earlier, it was actually given about a few hours ago, which then was at 0.76, which is right around somewhere. Let me show you this. Somewhere 76 is right here, 76. All right, so 768. 768 is at somewhere here. Let's do this. Okay. Now, it is the first target is at 0.8. Okay, that 0.8 is now going to give you 4.8% already. Now, if you are aiming for a higher one, which again, let's see like somewhere within 8.5, then you would still be in the trade somewhere around here, and that would give you 10.68. Now, if you're more aggressive, then you could take that higher take profit, which is the 1.7. So again, it totally depends on your strategy. Now, if you're doing this, it's at 1. So this is like the fourth take profit signal, okay? So you have that 30.3% already. So again, guys, it's totally up to you. Of course, you have to always do your own research. Go ahead and check out Signalpeak, because this is going to definitely help you out in validating your technical analysis, your market analysis, and would help you out in being more consistent with all your trades. So go ahead and check out their website. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.